Adding more video clips, images, music, and sound effects makes your video alive and interesting. But the question is, where those content come from? Or have you already received a copyright claim last minute after you uploaded your video? If your answer is a yes, you're in the right video to watch. Because in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to remove the copyright claim on your video, or I'm gonna show you what option you have to remove the copyright claim on your video. Another confession choice.
I received it. I removed copyright claim again.
Yes, I can. But this time, the difference is I received the copyright claim for my short videos. If you can recall, I already said to my previous video that I already received a 3 copyright claim for my long videos for the music I use. That's why make sure to watch this video until the end. By the way, Mishops, what's up? I'm Yuwhie and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and do not forget to hit the notification bell button to be keep updated. Honestly, I upload this video intentionally to receive a copyright claim. Sorry for that. But the good thing is, I can show you how I remove the copyright claim on my short video. Are you ready? Let's go! This is what you will see on your YouTube studio when your video has a copyright claim. But since I can't remove the copyright claim on my YouTube studio, here's what I do. Open your Chrome, then type YouTube Studio. But since I already opened it before, what I do is I just go to my history and then click the link for quick access. The left menu, click content, then find the video that has copyright claim, where you can see on the restriction column. Click the video and find the restriction. Click copyright claim. There's a prompt pop up, and then click the see details. This is what you can see after you click the see details, and then click the 3 dots to see the option. What I chose is a mute song. I have 2 options to mute the song. First is to mute the song when played, then secondly, mute song only. Now go back to the channel content. Now as you can see, the video is for processing and for checking. This is what you can see when the action you do is successful. So now it's done. I hope you learned and enjoyed this video. You can also follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook page. The link is on the description below. And please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Ciao!